Here are a couple of clips showing how a developer, and eventually the users, can interface with the API we're building. This is what we intend to expand upon. First, a developer of Stormhawks, an unreleased 3D MMO for kids, logs themselves in. Next, they decide how they want to interface with Social Game Universe, what rules to apply. In this case, they decide to notify the universe when a player joins their game. They might then decide what kinds of things external players can do to people inside of Stormhawks. They'd create an action for this, including a Social Game Universe card like Make It Rain or Foul Weather. There are many other options like how to monetize and share users, stacking cards, opening up to other games, etc. Here's how it looks when I'm in Avistar on Facebook and Dwayne Wall logs into Stormhawks, the standalone 3D MMO on his PC. You can see that he shows up in my action bar. Now when I click on him, the system displays the appropriate action cards for Stormhawks chosen or made by that developer. Now I'm going to make it rain in Stormhawks from my dry perch in Facebook. We threw this rather silly example together to illustrate the variety of game types that can be connected. But imagine leaving traps for your friends in World of Warcraft and getting notified when you've made a catch, or managing a baseball team made up of actual friends, or tracking the in-game treachery of pals while you're working in Outlook. Imagine items and players flowing from one game to another in a giant economy of social interaction and play where thousands of games become one. We hope we've hinted enough at the future to get you interested in the social game universe.